In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to loop.cloud.microsoft and you should be able to see in here this. So from this case, proceed to click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, just head over and click onto the Sign In. If you have an account on your OneDrive or Microsoft Word, then you can use that in here as well because all of the Microsoft apps are interconnected to each other. So let's proceed to sign in right here. Once you have signed in, you should be able to see right here your actual page, and here we have our workspace. So in order to create folders, you can proceed to head over first into your actual page, and from in there you can create a new page as well as other things among. So right here you can see this. So technically, if you want to create a folder, what you can do is you can click on this plus icon, and on your current workspace you can either add a page or a link. However, if you click on this plus icon right there, you can see page and ideas as well as new workspace option. If you either click on any ideas that you have, you can have the option right here to rearrange it. So clicking onto this will help move it into a page up and down, and you can share this loop component as well. So for this case, you can either have some things as a subcomponent. Click onto the three dots, rearrange, and make this a subpage for the actual database. Here you can see this, it will be classified as folder through this way. So you can click on this other one and rearrange it as a subpage as well, essentially making it part of a folder with this particular page. So you can see that they all will be added into the same part and it will be created as a folder through that way as well if you want. If you want to remove it right here, just click onto the three dots, rearrange, and promote subpage in order to make it a page again. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.